Hi, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston super Mare. Just thought I'd take a minute to walk you around this 2016 66 reg Peugeot Partner Tepee automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. It's done 16,000 miles from new. It's a one-owner ex-Motability car. It's converted by alloyed vehicles and has seating for 4 plus space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. See there, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. Width in the back between those 2 seats about 56 centimeters. Also comes with a winch, that's what you can see there in the center with the 2 carabiner clips. Length available there about 140 centimeters, and your width is about 84 centimeters for the ramp. Ramp's got a 400 kilo safe working load, so it should be more than enough for most people's needs. It also has a clever little feature, whereas the ramp can actually fold up flat when you're not using it to obviously transport a wheelchair or mobility scooter. So just put this little lever here, fold it up, and there you go. You've got sort of a flat floor there, which is quite a nice feature. Comes with rear parking sensors. That's what the little black dot is there on the bumper. So on either side. Also has privacy glass. This keeps it a bit cooler in the summer months and a little bit more private as well. So in the back, as I said, 2 seats in the rear on either side. Show you in the front. So it's all nice and clean. So road tax on this, £30 a year road tax, so it's nice and cheap. So it's the newer front one as well, so they look a little bit smarter. Just take you around and show you inside the driver's side. There you go, 16,318 miles. There's all your radio CD, also has Bluetooth on it as well, auxiliary input, air conditioning. They're all the controls for your electric windows. The little thing there is the control for your automatic. Also has these little paddle on the steering wheel. It's got one with a minus and a plus, so you can go up and down the gears there if you wish. Also has cruise control, you can see that through there. It's got a speed limiter function as well, so you can set the speed so the vehicle won't exceed that, which is quite helpful going through the contraflow systems. Your electric mirrors, traction control. So there you have it. If that's of interest or you've got any more questions, then please get in touch. Send us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching.